UAMY is one of our top stock picks at the moment, and here's why. UAMY is a US-based critical minerals company that is operating the only significant antimony smelter in America. Antimony is essential for flame retardants, ammunition primers, batteries, and defense applications. China currently controls 80% of the global processing of antimony and they imposed export restrictions in 2024. This created a severe supply chain issue. If we look at the technicals in UAMY, we can see that we had an initial massive breakout here around the start of October last year, which ran up about 211%. Since then, we've been in this fallen wedge pattern that has had a breakout over the last week. We can see we broke out here around $9, pushed up to $11.30, and we're just doing a back test now looking for support. And I think we found it. We're currently sitting almost on the 50-day moving average, and that's probably as low as it's going to go, around 850. As you can see in our indicator suite, we have Astral that's still tracking momentum, which is bullish. I'm really thinking we're going to have a reversal here. Even on the weekly, we're still looking very, very strong. If you want to get access to our indicator suite, go to purdyfinancials.com. All the details are there. And yeah, good luck.